Educated tourists came to Wales, only one thing to see. The village with the longest name in the world, in a place called Anglesey. The biggest problem seemed to be he couldn't ask the way, because he couldn't say it meant he had nowhere to stay. Well, he came upon a miner who then offered him a bed, until he learned to say the word that all meant fear and dread. He gave some helpful tips to teach the tourist how it's said, and he used this little song to drum the words into his head. Go, 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 go. Sing go, 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 go. Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. Break it down, it comes around. Llanfair, Pwll Gwyngyll, Go Gerrych, Chwynrobwll, Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. Well, the days passed into weeks and months, and then turned into years. He turned into a shadow of himself as he toiled through sweat and tears. By chance one day his heart was warmed by a song called Ama Ohi, and he vowed that he would not go home until his tongue was free. Go, 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 go. Sing go, 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 go. Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. Take it slow, then it will grow. Llanfair, Pwll Gwyngyll, Go Gerrych, Chwynrobwll, Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. After 25 years there came a day when he felt he'd got it nailed. So he went outside to the cheering crowd to roll his R's for Wales. He struggled hard to get his tongue around his teeth and gums. Then out it popped with a mighty shout, and this is what he sung. Go, 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 go. Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. Don't despair, I'm nearly there. Llanfair, Pwll Gwyngyll, Go Gerrych, Chwynrobwll, Llantysilio'r, go, 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 go. Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. I've got it now, I'll sing it proud. Llanfair, Pwll Gwyngyll, Go Gerrych, Chwynrobwll, Llantysilio'r, go, go, go. Llanfair, Pwll Gwyngyll, Go Gerrych, Chwynrobwll, Llantysilio'r, go, go, go.